All right, well, the most important element of a song, in my humble opinion, actually it's not that humble. It's not really that humble. It's a bit, I'm pretty adamant about this actually. Okay, the most important element of a song is the melody. Okay, so what do I mean by that? What is the melody? What is the melody of a song? And that's a really good question to answer. Actually, first, let's establish what the melody is, because it always amazes me that people consider the melody like the music or the lyrics or whatever. Okay, now there's three elements to a song, three parts to a song. We have the foundation, the harmony, okay, which is basically your chord progression. Okay, that. On top of that, we have the melody, the melodic line, top line, lead line, whatever you want to call it. It's got a lot of names, okay, but it's this. Na 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 na. Two distinct parts. We have the foundation, the harmony. On top of that, we have the melody. They're two separate parts. And the third part, of course, is the lyrics, when there are lyrics. Not all songs have lyrics, okay? But assuming there's lyrics, that would be the third element of a song, okay? So, we have a chord progression. La na 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 na. Our melodic line. I wanna be with you tonight. And our lyrics, okay? Three distinct elements here. The most important element, hands down, okay? It's not even close. I'm sorry, but it's not even close, is the melodic line. And the reason it's not even close is because without the melodic line, what do you have? Well, let's see. It's just a chord progression. That's all it is. There's nothing else happening here. I could play this all day long. Nothing's gonna happen, okay? And lyrics, of course, I can't put lyrics on top of that without a melodic line. What am I just gonna speak it? I wanna be with you tonight. Without a melodic line, I wanna be with you tonight. I need that melodic line. Na 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 na. I need that. So I could put the lyrics on top, and so I could have a song. Without the melodic line, we have nothing. Now, without the harmony, do we still have a song? Yes, you can do it a cappella. I wanna be with you tonight. It's still a melody that you can sing a cappella that will capture someone. Because you can add lyrics to it as well, but even without lyrics, you can just sing it and it'll still capture someone. It'll connect with someone. Whereas a chord progression, not really. I mean, a little bit. You got the groove, you got the rhythm, you know what I mean? You got that element of a chord progression, which is pretty cool, but it's not at the level of a melodic line, the melody. That's number one, in my not so humble opinion, okay? So we'll leave it at that, guys, and until next time, take care.